How to lock apps on Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to lock apps on your Android device without using any third-party apps. So most Android device comes with a built-in app lock that you can use to lock any apps you want. I'm currently using a Samsung device, so this typically does not have the app lock, but you can work your way around here with a feature called Secure Folder. So what you can do is simply go ahead and open up your settings. Make sure that your secure folder is turned on. You can do that by going over to security and privacy. And then from here, you can find more security settings. Then you can find something called secure folder over here. So make sure that you turned on the secure folder. And instead of that, if you don't want to lock it, you can hide apps here. So all you have to do is go to your home screen settings. And then from here, you can find something called hide apps from home and app screen. Then you can select any app that you want to hide. So let me just go ahead and quickly hide this app from my home screen. You can even search for the apps at the top right corner. So I'll just search for Reddit, select the app, and then tap on done. And it will be hidden from my home screen. As you can see, it was over here, but now it's gone. Now to move on to the secure folder, you just have to go ahead and open secure folder from here. Now once you are inside secure folder, you can find different apps over here that are already added. These are the built-in apps. Now if you want to add other apps like Messenger, like this, you can tap on the plus icon right over here. You can even download apps from Play Store directly or Galaxy Store, but I'll just add a random app here. So let's say if I want to lock my Facebook, I can just select Facebook here and then tap on add. And Facebook will be locked right inside your secure folder. Now you can just open it up and log into your account. Simply go ahead and enter your login credentials and you'll be good to go. So that is basically it, guys. If you found the video helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.